Hello everyone, in today's video, let's show you on how you can create rounded corners in Lightburn. So basically, I'm going to do this multiple times with the rectangle first, and then let's also do it with something like the triangle shape. Now to basically create your rounded corners, you want to select this specific option right here. And then of course, right after we have the ability to edit out the radius of that rounded corner. So in my case, I'm going to make it 10. And basically from there, you could just easily click on a specific object. And now if we click on the corner of that object, it will simply turn it into a rounded corner. So let's just go ahead and do this for the entire rectangle shape. And now if you want to apply it to a different shape, you just, once again, once you click on it, and basically from there, it's as easy as clicking on the corners, and basically you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.